My divorce took 10 years to come through. And I think I was the first in India to have a divorce party. And so many people came. And I had, I'd made a bundle of all those papers, which was so huge and so high. And we made a bonfire. It's like the end of that life. Finished. It's gone. My dreams actually started thriving again. I started writing. And I said, I'll become a lawyer. So I became like the hottest celebrity divorce lawyer. I think it's been a good journey, great journey so far. And of course, all these people add to my life. My current marriage adds to my life. My two little Maharajas, my sons add to my life. I want people to turn around and say, look, she could do it. Learn that you don't need to be in abusive situations. You can set yourself free and you can fly high.